Well guys, another short video for today. I hope you liked it. This was one of those rare not night but dusk captures, and we have fun doing it. So we think we're gonna start bringing you more of this late of the day content, and hopefully we can get some good shots of them. I also want to thank everybody that has supported my work and always left a comment in the videos, like I said before, and always a thumbs up. So this is the only way I will be able to keep bringing you content. My channel has not the views that I need, but eventually they will come. If I keep putting good content, I think they will. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.